Is the allergen spectrum relevant in allergen immunotherapy? In our second film, we have shown that a complete allergen spectrum is key, not only for an accurate diagnosis, but also as a prerequisite for successful allergen immunotherapy. In this context, it is important to know that the allergen source extracts are the starting basis for both the diagnostic and therapeutic preparations and therefore contain a comparable allergen profile. Recently, it has been demonstrated that preparations from different manufacturers vary largely in the content of individual allergens. For example, different house dust mite preparations for sublingual and subcutaneous allergen immunotherapy. In some commercially available house dust mite preparations, minor and intermediate allergens could not be detected at all. What is the appropriate allergen immunotherapy? Several clinical studies have demonstrated that the content of different allergens may have an impact on the efficacy of, for example, house dust mite immunotherapy. House dust mite allergy sufferers with different sensitization profiles responded differently to allergen immunotherapy depending on which allergens were included in each formulation. It can be concluded that the presence of intermediate and minor allergens in therapeutic extracts have an impact on their efficacy. Conclusion. Due to molecular spreading, the majority of allergy sufferers develop an increasing complexity of their sensitization profile to various major, intermediate and minor allergens of an allergen source. This causes a large variety of different sensitization profiles. To ensure optimal coverage of all patients in diagnostics and allergen immunotherapy, regardless of individual sensitization profiles, you should pay attention to the composition of the products you use, right from the diagnostics stage.